In today's video, I'll show you how to add conditional logic in Typeform step by step. If you want your form to behave like a smart conversation where questions change based on user answers, then conditional logic is exactly what you need. First, open Typeform and go to your workspace. Then open an existing form or create a new one from scratch. Once you're inside the form builder, start by adding your questions normally. For example, you might include a multiple choice question like, "What do you need help with options such as support, sales, or feedback. Now, here comes the important part. At the top or side menu, click on the Logic section. This is where you control how your form behaves based on user responses. Inside the Logic Builder, select the question you want to use as a trigger. For example, choose your multiple choice question. Next, set conditions. You can tell Typeform something like, if the user selects support, then send them to a support-related question. If they select sales, then jump to a pricing or product-related question. This way, each user only sees questions that match their answer, making the form feel faster and more personalized. You can also use logic to skip unnecessary questions. For example, if someone says they are not interested in a service, you can skip all sales questions and send them directly to the end screen. Another powerful option is ending screens. Based on answers, you can show different final messages, like a thank you note, a booking link, or next steps. As you build your logic, make sure to keep it simple. Too many complex rules can confuse your form flow, so always test step by step. After setting everything, click the Preview button and test every possible answer path. This is very important because it helps you confirm that users are being directed correctly. If something doesn't work as expected, go back and adjust the logic rules until the flow feels smooth and natural. Once everything is working perfectly, save your form and publish it. Now your Typeform will automatically adapt to each user based on their answers. And that's it. You've successfully added conditional logic in Typeform and created a smarter, more personalized form experience. And that's how you add conditional logic in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.